Alright guys, so here is my final look. I just revisited this hair. I haven't done Joyful. I think this one was it. No, Soulful Curl. I have not done Soulful Curl in a while. I usually do the Joyful Curl, but I think I have done Soulful Curl before, but it's been like a year since I've literally put this hair in my head, guys. And like, yeah, when I say this hair does not disappoint, this hair does not disappoint. 2 packs was more than enough, and as y'all can see, it's like even for a full head, like I could have actually gotten away with 1 pack. And if I wanted it shorter, I could have definitely just cut this in half, but I wanted to have like a little length to it, so that's why I kept it long and went with the 2 full packs. Now I could have actually split these, the ones that y'all saw me do with just the ones, I could have actually split those in 2 like I did down the edges alone, so I could get like a better visual for my ponytail action. But yeah, I wanted the length, and it just layers better when I do it in just the 1 pack. So yeah, like I said, I've done this before and it's still one of my favorites, one of my absolute favorite crochet hair, guys. All I do with this hair is pineapple it up at night, or either put it up in like a loose bun and throw a bonnet on, and that is literally it. Take it down and fluff, and that's it. I have not put mousse on this hair, guys. Can y'all believe it? I have not put mousse on this hair, probably because I did not divide it as much. If you do divide it, you will probably need a little bit more mousse to kind of like tame the frizz down a little bit, but because I did not do it, I did not need the mousse this time. All in all, like I said, yeah, I know how I feel about this hair. It's great. I'd always recommend this hair time and time again. To me, it's low maintenance. To some, it might be high maintenance to others, but to me, it's pretty low maintenance. I did find out though, if you get the brighter colors like a 30 or a 27 or any of those mixtures, the hair does tend to frizz more. The darker colors do not frizz that much to me. Yeah, so that's all I got, and as always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video.